Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft in yet another comparison video between the SanDisk Slider Ultra or Ultra Slider and the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive Luxe. And this is one of my favorite pen drives, the Dual Drive Luxe. I've been using it for about 5 years, and I just wanted to compare it with something new like SanDisk Slider Ultra. And basically this is the dual drive luxe, which have two sides. One is a type C, another one is a type A, which you can use definitely with your TVs and all. And if you see the slider pen drive, guys, so for this particular video I'm just going to call it a slider and this as a dual drive. And if you see the dual drive, guys, over here you have the 128 GB variant, which is made in China, and the dual drive luxe have a better quality, and the slider is made in Malaysia, and the 64 GB variant is the one which I got. And if you see over here the build quality, there is no sacrifice for the dual drive luxe, so it makes more sense to go with a dual drive luxe. Especially I got this for about one third of the price, I would say. And this dual drive luxe was costing me the 128 GB 1200, and the slider is costing me around 600 700. So if you see the value proposition, definitely for half the price you are going to get a pen drive which is going to perform not as fast as the dual drive luxe, but then again the build quality also is a difference because they come with a plastic body. So check out the link in the description. I got a very good deal on Amazon, so which I'll be linking in below, because in 2026 the prices of pen drive have high skyrocketed. And at that time I'm doing this particular video, the dual drive luxe is almost like 2000 something for the 128 GB variant. So again, check out the link in the description for the correct pricing. And if you see, guys, the size wise the dual drive luxe is much more slimmer and compact versus something like the slider, because the slider you have to slide it and get the type C connector out. Another thing to be noted, the slider cannot be used with a TV because TV does not support sometimes the type C. So in that case your only option is to get the dual drive luxe. Let me also do the speed test comparison between both of these. The left side is the slider pen drive and the right side is the dual drive luxe, and I hope there is little difference between these. Again, we'll check it out, guys, because I'm curious to know like whether to, before suggesting, is it worth going with the dual drive luxe, or it is worth buying the slider. Because when it comes to price and performance, I think the slider wins, because for a lesser price you are almost going to get identical performance with half the storage. But again, the value, if you see, it is in the dual drive luxe in the long term. And if you like this kind of videos, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to press that bell notification icon. And y'all can also follow us on social media at the rate Creative Soft. And what this will do is it'll help our channel to grow, and so that we keep on making such kind of awesome videos. And I've linked Amazon link in the description of this video, so do check it out if you have any good offers and all, because sometimes the prices fluctuate and they definitely drop the prices for this particular pen drive, guys. And as you can see, the slider is slightly behind, like it is having 375 MB read speed, whereas the dual drive luxe is having 370 of the read speed mbps. So in my case I still feel it is the fastest pen drive which I have tested. Also there are a lot of many videos which are going to come, and I've also tested some pen drives which might be slightly faster than the dual drive luxe, but again the price makes it an appealing choice. Write speed of the dual drive luxe is 146 versus 89 on the slider pen drive, guys, 89 mbps. So in that case, definitely the dual drive luxe is much more faster pen drive, a cooler pen drive, because it's going to have a metallic body. Initially it's going to heat up, but then again it's going to cool down faster. But the slider is, since it is made from the sliding material, it can get loose, and also it is going to stay cool. I hope you all enjoyed this particular videos, and basically these are the kind of videos we usually post on our channel. Also do follow us on social media, guys, and subscribe to our channel. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.